All right, I'm back again. I'm upgrading my current current setup, Wolfram C 2400, from single inputs to double. I got these double, they're powder coated. These are B stock, so they had little scuffs. And the reason they're powder coated is so that in case they touch, you don't start shorting stuff out. But what I wanted to show, the purpose of this video, is to show the best way to put these wire ferrules on your, this is a 0 gauge 1/0 power connectors. I already put it on the ground. I already did this one. This is to show, but I found the best way of doing it. You should at least keep it level. If not, make sure you cut enough to pull back this wire ferrule a little more deeper, and make sure when you heat shrink it, you're grabbing onto it here. Now remember, if you put it in too much, when you crimp down with the screw downs, you're going to crimp down, and you're going to cause what looks to be an indentation. And see, you want a nice perfect one. See how I made sure the heat shrink is around. So let's go ahead and go through this last one that I need to do. I've already cut it, and I used my Harbor Freight Pittsburgh cutters for it. If I need to and shave it down a little bit more, I have my little razor blade. So what you want to do is pull this out, grab on the sides so that it doesn't fray out, and just one corner at a time, snug it in, and kind of start pushing it in from that one corner to the other. And that looks, it's not acceptable for me, since there's a large piece that's missing. So what I'll do is quickly pull this up a little, and I'll look at it, and it looks like if I just shave off a little bit by rolling, I'll be able to pull it through all the way. Should I cut myself? Here, and just cut a slip right there so I can pull it off. And props to my cameraman, my son, Frank, helping me out. All right, pushing this down a little, and that's better. See? So before I put it in, this input's gonna go here. So this one's from the bottom, this one's going right here over to the top. I'm going to follow same logo pattern and put it right around. See, there it is. So I go up, and the heat will shrink it in to where it needs to go. You can pick this torch up at Harbor Freight also. I have a bigger one, but I ran out of juice for it. There we go. So now, when I put it in the input here, it'll sit right there. See how it's nice and snug? And nice and snug. Bam. There it is. Clean. Cut it.